Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech again. And today video, I'm going to show you how you can change the keyboard, any Samsung or any Android keyboard layout. So when you go into the settings, when you go into the typing, this is a standard keyboard, which is full keyboard. And if you want to make it QWERTY or any other type of keyboard, so it's very easy. Just simple follow those steps and you can easily change it. So just go into the settings, and after settings, go a little bit down. You'll find general management. Go to this one, and this one it will ask for Samsung keyboard settings. When you go into that settings, just hit language and types. So when you go this one, so let's say when you hit this on any language, it will give you these 4 options. So look at this. This is a standard keyboard what we are using right now. So if you make it a QWERTY keyboard, so just go this one like there, and you can make like this thing. See? So if you want to change it to the other one, just go into the settings simple and make it to AZ keyboard, and you can just change this one too. So that's how you can change your keyboard type. If you like that video, thumbs up and share with your friends. See you in the next video.